Cannon rounds of 1970. Championship. Numbers of cars. I think Elliott does more also. What they do is they just develop things nicely and properly, and when they say that they're going to do something, they really do. So they've got this car called 111, and it's to the power to weight ratio. Effectively, it's got exactly the same amount. To Jim now. And he seemed to think that actually the track may just is faster anyway, and he's not timing it this weekend actually, even though some of the supercars are timed, because it's got a race again in a few weeks' time. So he a different road car a few years ago. Pretty quick in this as well in that case, because that is a fast car, the Noble M600. It's you're right. It's built in Leicestershire. I mean, I won't want to say it's old-fashioned, but it is a straightforward car. There is no ABS, there's no servos, there's good brakes. It is an old school, and I love the fact that. The Porsche 918 Spider, which sort of raised the bar even higher. This one, with the subtle hues. We've missed the 911 GT3 RS that's gone. He won those made, and it's one of the road cars ever made. We took all of the bits off that were essential for it to be a road car. What would we be left with? And they because he wanted it. I never arrived on it. It's spectacular. Yeah, great. But it does look like Richard would be Terminator here this weekend. And it's incredibly fast, but very, very rewarding.
Oh.